Give Bombay the strap, busting dope ass lyrics on this dope ass track. Fucking it up for the paraphernalia clicks, dropping dope ass shit that you can't fuck with. So all you buster ass niggas talking all that shit, it's best to watch your back, cause Bombay comes strapped. Bitch, fucking it up for my niggas from Watts, busting caps on your ass if you don't shake the spot. No sooner than I talk, the cops rush the spot. Bombay is caught with a fast like a rock. The cops rush the spot. I grabbed my Glock.
Now he's out the back door with the fat sack of rocks.
Hopped in a boat as I start to drop, gliding and sliding through the east side, looking for my niggas in the 8 and the 5, so we can all go back and start the hoorah.
Fly like an eagle, straight over Watts, busting fucking shots on all them dirty cops. Fly like an eagle, straight over Watts, dropping fucking shit on all them dirty cops.
Damn, they got this nigga shackled with intent to reform, but once again, their presidents is working at charm. Cause life ain't shit but money and power, so I'm paying suckers off, still running my empire. S&M Productions is my crew, clocking cold cash money and drinking cold brew. But I don't give a fuck if the money is red. It only got that way from shooting fools in the head. I got the spot, guaranteed not to be hot. Rush in, rush out with a fat sack of pot. And if it getting high off that cabbie, bitch, we'll have your cluck ass sucking a fucking gang of dick. Cause a pimp is a pimp and a bitch is a slut. A fiend is a fiend, do you know what I mean? I don't need a job because I'm self-employed. Talk shit, stupid stitch, and get your ass destroyed. Scam one is the criminal, live in effect. I tag a new car every time I cash a check. The Paraphernalia crew is not to advocate violence, but we must bust caps to keep these snitches on silent, cause it's all invalid when they telling your business. Play detective stupid talking about what is this, cause if you get to talking you'll be dead on the curb. But if you shut the fuck up you might be free as a bird, and you can
fly like an eagle, straight over Watts, busting fucking shots on all them dirty cops. Fly like an eagle, straight over Watts, dropping fucking shit on all them dirty cops.
Fuck Firestone and LAPD too. Take these fucking heckles off and let's see what you can do. Punk as police when they hit me when I'm all cuffed up. Then make a fake police report to keep CR locked up. No, I don't think so, homie, don't play that shit. My people coming down the court to get me out of the clique, because you think it's fucking funny when you spray me with mace. But now I got cop killer written all over my face. Don't let me catch you sitting at my stoplight. I got the tech with the little bitty red light pointing straight at your dome. Maybe I'm wrong, but like Ice Cube said, once again it's on. The song that you hear ain't fuck the police, it's just my message going out to special deputies. You know who you are, I done pulled your card. Now you have to pay your dues to this nigga CR.
Fly like an eagle, straight over Watts, busting fucking shots on all them dirty cops. Fly like an eagle, straight over Watts, dropping fucking shit on all them dirty cops. DJ Ism, Scam One, Review, Era, Creator.
Step a little closer and speaking to the mic. Mother's nature, yeah, cannabis hemp. I got the sacks in my pocket and they call me the pimp. When I'm with the lady, her spot was dry, so I think I'll save 250 and get that booty a try. Kabooyah, yep, that hit the spot. A small portion of ingredients to get my mic hot. But now I get ideas from staring at the wall, but then I turn them into profit so the kingdom don't fall. And that's an MOG, my sax is fat. I roll with Paraphernalia, you know that. Cause Paraphernalia just supplies you the trip. And a cannabis split to keep you adrift. Up, in a way I say. I think I'll go pick up Mary J. So she can come get kinky with my zag. All cooped up in that little bag. Guess what, baby, I got paid this week. So I'ma pick you up early and make you my freak. I'm always pulling, I remain on the road. And my pocket stays fat from the things that I stole. Just came down from Michelle's house. And every time I'm with you, I get kicked out. Cause she never ever wants to lick my zag. Cause Pops found out we been playing tag. My blue skies are great, you make me feel better. Like let's light in the park with your friend Amaretta. But on the way home though, things got rough. My fool popped out of her alley and started talking that stuff. She said stick 'em up and give me what you got. But little did she know is what I had was high. So I took a step back and shot her in the chest. Oh, what a sound, and oh, what a mess. And now I got the munchies and I think I want some chicken. And now's a good time for a zag licking. Cause my people went off. It's that hoe named Jill. She grows a cannabis hemp garden on the side of the hill. Everybody light up a joint. Everybody light up a joint. Everybody light up a joint. I'm a crazy ass fool when I'm stoned on a J. I was granted Paraphernalia, now I'ma show you the way. Ladies, throw your hands up and scream to my sound. And fellas, throw up watch to let me know that you're down. Cause when we on stage, we rise it. And when I got a joint, I lies it. And when I see the cops, I hides it. To keep the beat steady pumping and the girl is excited. Yeah, and you don't stop.
Cause you can't stop.
1, 2, 3, don't get caught in the mix. Cause DJ is on pushes records and we'll fix you a mix. I'm down, I can't be clown. My name is Scam One and I like to hang around. Yeah.